begin using your lock, you will first have to install the batteries by unscrewing the cylindrical ring located at the handle base on the back of the lock. Remove the ring and back cover to expose the battery compartment. If you wish to manually bypass the lock and set in passage mode, remove the cap in the center of the handle, then insert the included key and turn counterclockwise 3 to 5 full rotations until the outside door handle engages the latch. Remove the key and the lock will remain unlocked until the key is turned clockwise another 3 to 5 rotations. To set the master code, press pound and then the factory preset master code of 6 ones. Press star 3 times. Then enter your new code. The master code must be 6 digits in length. You will hear 3 confirmation beeps. Re-enter your new code and you will hear 5 confirmation beeps. Each user that you enroll has 2 numbers associated with them, a 3-digit user number and a 6-digit access code. To enroll a user, press pound and then your master code. Press pound star and enter a 3-digit user number. Now enter a 6-digit user access code, then re-enter it after it beeps. To change a user code, press pound and enter the code being changed. You can then press star 3 times and enter the new code, then re-enter for confirmation. To delete a user, press pound and enter your master code. Press star pound and enter the 3-digit user number. Wait for the beeps, then re-enter the user number. The user is now deleted. Now you're ready to use your lock to secure your premises. Thanks for choosing LockState. For further support, contact support@lockstate.com.